So check this out, guys. One of my students was able to make over $200 on CPA and Grip in just a couple of days using this brand new traffic source that's using free viral traffic to your CPA offers. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what this traffic source is, how you can set it up yourself in just a couple of minutes using nothing but your mobile phone and an internet connection. Using this method, you will be able to get thousands of clicks to your CPA offers completely for free using just one social media account. And because you don't even have to create any content yourself, this method is very easy to do even for complete beginners. So if you're looking to make your first money with CPA marketing, this may be just the method for you. Now this is just one of the accounts that my student have been using, and she was able to get only 72 followers in just a couple of days. But if you're going to check out this view count on these reels she's been posting, you can see some of these are getting at least 1,000 to 2,000 views per reel. And if you're going to check out this one, it has almost 50,000 views just for this simple reel. Now just not every reel is going to blow up. You can see some of these are getting just a couple of views, like 30, 60 views or something like that. But if you're going to scroll down, you can see some of these are literally blowing up into thousands of views. For example, this one is over 12,000 views. And if you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that some of these reels have been blowing up as soon as in the first day. For example, this one right here got almost 13,000 views in the first day that she posted it. And today I'm going to show you how you can tap into this exact same traffic source for your CPA offers and how to start monetizing them. But before that, just hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also go ahead and comment down below if you have seen this traffic source anywhere else before or if this is something completely new to you. So the first thing you want to do for this method is go to cpagrip.com, and what you want to do is grab yourself your free account if you don't have one already. Just click on this register button, and what you need to do here to get your free account in just a couple of seconds is just go ahead and fill in all this personal information right here on the left side. And if you don't have a Skype account right here, because I've been getting this question in my DMs couple times already, if you don't have a Skype account, what you can do is pretty much type in there something like Instagram, then just go ahead and put in your Instagram handle, and that's it. You don't need to have Skype to be able to sign up on CPA Grip, but one of the important parts you can't skip is this publisher type. You want to select the website/instant or GPT type. That way your account will get approved instantly and you get to building this method right away. Then just go ahead and type in your email address, choose a very strong password, make sure to tick all three of these boxes and click on register now. And once you get your account, what you want to do is just log right into it. Once you log into your CPA Grip account, what you want to do is go to this section where it says offer tools, and you want to click on my offers. Now keep in mind, guys, this is very easy to do for these United States offers, but as you can see right here, at the time of recording this video, United States offers are limited to just a couple of these. For example, usually what you're going to find here is a bunch of gift cards. What you want to look for is some gift cards like Amazon gift card, Nike gift card, PayPal gift card, Cash App gift card, any gift card that you can find. And because they are not available right now for the United States, I'm going to show you how they look like in, for example, United Kingdom offers. If you go to UK offers, you can see that some of these cards are exactly what we are looking for. For example, this Amazon gift card worth £500, or this Lidl voucher price, which is going to be very good for promoting in Europe. But because this traffic source is not very country specific, I highly recommend that you use some of the United States offers because most of the traffic is going to be coming from there. You can also go ahead and do this for British offers, French offers, but it will be just by chance that some of these are going to be completed by somebody from that country. For example, if you go to US offers, but which are not available right now, but if you come to CPA Grip every day and check out for new offers, most of the time you can find this type of offer that's going to be promoting some kind of gift card. For example, this one is for Amazon and it's £500 gift card for Amazon, and all people need to do for chance to win it is just submit their email address to this website that's going to be shown to them if they are going to come there through this link. Now because I'm not living in United Kingdom, neither in United States, if I'm going to just copy this and open it up, it's going to give me a different CPA offer which I'm not going to complete because I don't want to get banned from CPA Grip for completing my own offers. But if somebody from the UK were to click on this link, they will be displayed exactly this website with a small quiz and a field to put their email into to sign up for a chance to win this Amazon gift card. Now pretty much this is the type of offer that you want to go with, okay? Once you get your offer that you want to promote, what you want to do is just copy its link, then just hop over to Google and you want to search for beacons.ai. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website that's called beacons.ai, obviously, and this is one of those link in bio site. What this is going to do is create a simple bridge page between the CPA offer that you can use on social media without breaking the affiliate marketing link in bio rules. So what you want to do is just sign up for your Beacons account and then just log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to go to this section and click in a link in bio. Once you click on that, you can see you will get your your very own landing page that you can now customize however you want to. And pretty much all you want to do for this method is just make sure you're going to put the link from CPA Grip in there, so whoever is going to come to this landing page will be able to click on it and be taken to the CPA offer. So let's just start customizing it by getting rid of these buttons that you don't want to be using there. I'm just going to get rid of all of these sections. All I want in there is just one single button with the CPA offer, because that way whoever is going to come to this page will know exactly where to click. So I'm just going to click on add block, then just select links. I'm going to add a links button, and I'm just going with this classic layout. Okay, and I'm going to fill in a bunch of these fields. For example, for this headline, I'm going to go back to CPA Grip and I'm going to copy this headline from the CPA offer and paste it in there just like that. Then I'm just going to click on add new links, and in this field where it says URL, you want to paste the link to the affiliate offer. Now sometimes it's going to happen that this website is going to consider the link a dangerous one. So what you want to do then is just make sure to go to CPA Grip and you want to select different domain. Just click on this tracking domain, and what you want to do is try a couple of these. For example, if this one's not going to work, you can try this one or any other of these domains that you can find here. Just pretty much select new domain, copy the link and paste it in there until you get your link approved with no problems. Then in this title of the link, I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to copy this title of the CPA offer and paste it in there just like that. And pretty much this is all you need to do. And it's going to look something like this. You can see you get your claim your Amazon gift card right here. And what I'm also going to do is customize the title a little bit, because the CPA offer says £500 gift card. But remember guys, I'm showing you how to do this on this British offer. But what you want to do is go for the United States offers, because that way you will have the highest chance of making money with this. This process is going to be exactly the same for all the offers that you can grab from CPA Grip. It's important that you get offer that's promoting some kind of gift card, and you want to create a beacons landing page for it. And you can also go ahead and customize this page however you want it to look like. But pretty much once you finish customizing it, what you want to do is click on share, and you want to get your link to the beacons landing page. Just copy it, and then what you want to do is you want to go to Instagram and you want to sign up for a new account. You don't want to be using your personal account for this. What I highly recommend is that you go to Instagram and sign up for a new account. And one of the best performing niches out there right now is this Family Guy cartoon. If you know this cartoon and you know what it's about, you will have very easy time doing this. But even if you don't know about this cartoon and you're just seeing it for the first time, you can do this just as well. All you want to do is just sign up for your account that's going to be themed just for one niche. You can also do this for any niche out there, fails, cat videos, sports, or anything like that. All you want to do is just create a themed account that's going to be posting the same kind of reels every single day and then promoting your CPA offer. What you want to do is just pretty much go ahead and post in the bio section of the profile link to your beacons landing page. You want to just copy it and go to Instagram and post it into the bio of the account, and your account is going to be set. Now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to actually get content for your page without having to create anything, without having to download anything, upload anything, and you will be able to get unlimited content for your account easily for free. For that, what you want to do is grab your mobile and sign into your Instagram account that you have just created, and you want to go into the Reels section. In this Reels section, what you want to do is scroll through a bunch of these Reels until you're going to find one that you want to go with. But what you can also do is go to this search section and you can directly search for the type of niche that you want to go with. For example, let's say you're going to do this with the Family Guy niche that I showed you earlier. So just search for Family Guy Reels and you will get literally hundreds of these Reels created by others that are already on Instagram. So just pick one that you want to go with. For example, let's go with this one right here. And what you want to do is click on this three-dot button right here on the right side. And as you can see, you get these two options to save and remix this reel. Then just click on remix and you want to select this with original video, and this way you will be able to record a remix with the original reel. As you can see right here, my face is on the camera in the reel itself. What I'm going to do is click on this split button right here and select this person, okay, and that is going to allow me to be right in the video. As you can see right here, I'm able to do a commentary of this same reel. For example, if I were to say something about Peter being silly or something like that, this is how it's done. But pretty much what you can do, and it's exactly how this method works, is just I'm going to tilt my phone up. So I'm going to completely disappear from the image. You can see right here, if I'm going to turn it towards myself, I'm able to see myself in the video. But once I'm going to tilt it up just like this, I'm not going to be in the image and it's still going to be considered a remix. So what you want to do is stay completely silent for a couple of seconds, and you want to hold this button for the entire duration of the reel. That way you're going to create a remix of the original reel without having to be in the image, without having to show your face on camera or anything like that. What you want to do next is just pretty much select this text button and you want to type in there £500 Amazon gift card in bio. Then just go ahead and customize this text however you want it to look like. For example, you can go just with a plain text just like this, or you can pretty much customize it by selecting one of these different options. And let's go with this one, for example. So I'm just going to place this text right here somewhere in the reel, or for example up here, so it's going to be seen by whoever's going to see this reel. And then just click on next, and in this caption you want to write something like claim your £500 Amazon gift card, link in bio, just like that. Then what you want to do is put some hashtags in there related to the niche of the video that you have just remixed. For example, I'm doing Family Guy videos, so I'm just going to put in there something like Family Guy memes, hashtag Family Guy videos, or just something related to Family Guy. What you want to do is just type in there the hashtag and start typing Family Guy, and you want to select from these hashtags, pretty much go through all of these and add them in there. But keep in mind, on Instagram you can post only like 30 hashtags, I believe, so you don't want to be posting more than that. So just post a couple of these up to 30, and then what you want to do is just pretty much post this to Instagram. Once you're going to post it, it's going to look something like this. It's going to be exactly the same video but without your face on it, and it's going to have this £500 Amazon gift card in bio. So whoever's going to be interested in that is going to come to your profile, click on the Beacon's landing page, and if they are going to sign up for the Amazon gift card using their email address, you're going to get paid. Now pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and post a couple of these reels every single day. Just go to the search once more, find a different reel that you want to go with. For example, this one, press these 3 dots and you can see you get the remix button. Do the exact same process, then just move to another reel, press the 3 dots, click on remix, do the exact same process, go to another reel, press 3 dots, click on remix, do it again. And sometimes it's going to happen if you're going to press these 3 dots, the remix option is not going to be there. You want to stay away from those reels because the creator did not allow for the reels to be remixed, so you can't do that with them. But most of these are going to have this option available, so literally you will have unlimited source of material for your Instagram account that you can use this way. And once you're going to run out of ideas for Family Guy, you can do this pretty much for any niche out there. You can do this for cartoons like South Park, The Simpsons, or any other cartoon that you can find in the reels, but you can also do this for different niches. For example, like cooking videos, car crash videos, fail videos, pretty much any reel that can be remixed, you can do this for. And once you're going to do this consistently for a couple of days, some of these reels are going to blow up. They will literally get tens of thousands of views. As you can see right here on this account created by one of my students, some of these are getting thousands of views, but some of these are getting tens of thousands of views, and that's going to bring a lot of traffic to your CPA link. And every time somebody is going to complete a CPA offer, you're going to get paid. Now for some reason, if you don't like this method and you want to learn the exact same system that I'm using myself to make around $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and still get results just like this, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. And now if you want to learn yet another completely free money-making method that you can try out, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.